Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to snow foam this really dirty 2 years since it's been washed Citroen C4, and to do it we're going to use the Karcher K4 to my left here, and we're going to use the FJ10C with the Karcher Ultra Foam Cleaner. We're just going to let it dwell for a moment, and then we're going to power wash it off to see how effective it was. Okay, so we've given that maybe 10 minutes to dwell. That was on the maximum setting, so I'm going to go back over with the power washer on the medium setting. Okay, so here we are. The car has been rinsed down after the snow foam, so let's have a look at the same kind of areas, beginning with the driver's wheel. Up to the door trim and around the mirror. This piece of the bonnet. Now it certainly has done something, but how much of it was the actual power washer, I don't know, but I'll leave you be the judge. Okay, so here we are 24 hours later when the car's had a chance to drip dry, and I know I wasn't initially impressed by how it came out, but actually the car looks a lot cleaner. I think of the 2 years worth of dirt, it probably has knocked maybe 6 to 12 months of dirt off it, so overall, actually quite pleased with the Karcher Ultra Foam Cleaner and the snow foam lance. So yeah, I'd probably recommend that you go out and get the Ultra Foam Cleaner, but definitely a snow foam lance. Thanks so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes. Have a great day.